Southerly Floors is really excited to showcase the latest offering in GK2, a 300 square yards basement ground triplex ready to move, and that too on the most wide road of GK2. Built on absolutely modern theme, this 300 square yards basement ground triplex has everything exclusive, right from an exclusive entrance to a separate 3-car parking. Let me take you inside this beautiful triplex. This is the stilt car parking. This building is made as per the new height. तो in fact जो stilt parking की भी height है, that's a pretty good height. तो आप कोई भी SUV हो आप easily park कर सकते हैं. और इस triplex के अंदर आपको 3 गाड़ी की exclusive car parking मिलती है. Now this is the best part. This is the common lift for the first, second, and third floor. But for basement ground triplex, this is the exclusive entrance. A door would be installed over here. So this property is almost like 90-95% complete. The glass door lift have already been installed, but it's yet to initiate. This is the private lobby you get along with it. So you have your private staircase going upstairs, private staircase to access the basement. Now let me show you the ground floor first. Now this is what we call a true triplex, because you not only have this private staircase that goes from inside your house, you also have a glass door lift. A beautiful light fixture they have installed over here. In fact, over here, it gives an impression of a double height over here, which looks absolutely grand. So that's your glass door private lift. And look at the kind of foyer they have created. What brilliant inlay work they have done. This is absolutely subtle and so very beautiful. In fact, on the walls, they have done, this is not POP, this is a wooden thing they have given on the walls. So this is giving a colonial look. It's a fusion of a modern as well as a colonial architecture. Amazing concept. And look at the kind of height you get along with it. Now, this is your main living room area. The best part, you have such a good size of living room area. 300 गज के अंदर इस तरह का living room create करना, a lot of planning goes into creating such beautiful and good size living room area. 2 cassettes VRV air cons have been provided in this living room. So over here we have one of the air con. Samsung की air conditioning है, and they have also created a beautiful feature wall over here using POP work, some vertical lines and some concealed lighting, which is looking, absolutely amazing. And we have a really good size of balcony over here. Let me show you the balcony. A super sized balcony and facing one of the most wide road of GK2. A covered balcony. This is almost like an 8 feet wide balcony. So, you can really place your coffee table over here. It's a good place to spend time with your family and friends. So they have used these brass color metallic as well as glass doors to segregate the living room area, which is such an interesting idea. Let me take you to the first bedroom. Wow. This is the first bedroom, amazing size. In every bedroom, they have tried to, put some interior elements. So we have this very subtle POP work, a feature wall. The bed would be facing this side. What brilliant wardrobe they have given over here. What beautiful looking shutters. In fact, जो आपको storage मिलती है, वो बिल्कुल नीचे से लेके ऊपर तक मिलती है. This is how the storage and the closet looks from inside. Now, for the very first time, I'm seeing these check patterns inside a closet. So जितनी ये closet बाहर से सुंदर है, उतनी ही closet अंदर से भी beautiful है. So you have these 3 drawers over here. One of the drawers lockable. In fact, they've done some glass work also in one of the drawers. In fact, 2 of the drawers. जो balcony हमने living room के साथ देखी थी, the same balcony is continuing with the first bedroom also. Now let me show you the bathroom. What a beautiful bathroom they have created. Look at the artistic sink they have given. In fact, to create a fusion, a combination of it, they have used this really royal looking golden color fittings, a color changing mirror. So they have given these 2 press buttons. So आप इसको white कर सकते हैं, आप अपने mood के according warm white कर सकते हैं, आप color change कर सकते हैं. And what amazing stone they have given. So it's a lighter brownish stone with some white veins. Amazing workmanship. जो stone की quality है, जो laying quality है, that is really amazing. And this is your WC area, a really walkable, spacious one. And so is the shower cubicle. just look at the kind of fittings they have given. So, really top of the line golden color fittings hai. In fact, जो shower head भी दिया हुआ है वो एक golden color का in a really good size. So it's a good size of the shower cubicle. One of the brilliant bathrooms we have seen in a 300 square yards. सीलिंग के अंदर भी इन्होंने जो फॉयर की सीलिंग है उसके अंदर भी वुडन वर्क यूज़ किया है जिससे कि इंटीरियर को बूस्ट मिलता है, प्लीजिंग लगता है, एस्थेटिकली अमेजिंग लगता है. दिस इज़ द प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द किचन. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल ओरिएंटेशन. सो किचन का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है वाइट एंड ग्रेश कलर का स्टोन यूज़ किया है इस किचन के अंदर. सो नीचे आपको वाइट कलर के शटर्स मिलते हैं. जो गोल्डन एंड ब्रास का जो कॉम्बिनेशन को यूज़ करते हुए ऊपर आपको जो स्टोरेज मिलती है वो मेटालिक और ग्लास के अंदर मिलती है. नीचे से लेकर ऊपर तक आपको स्टोरेज मिलती है. सो दिस इज़ योर एरिया फॉर द वेजी सेपरेट वेजी वॉशर एंड डर्टी किचन एरिया एंड इनबिल्ट अप्लाइंसेज हैं इसके अंदर. सो यू हैव दिस चिमनी हॉब. वर्लपूल के अप्लाइंसेज हैं. यूनिफॉर्मिटी को मेंटेन करते हुए वर्लपूल का ही they have placed this inbuilt microwave and oven over here. That's the space they have given for the fridge, the refrigerator. Good size of fridge can be installed. Aircon का provision किया हुआ है. If someone wants, AC install किया जा सकता है. So for a 300 square yards, it's a brilliant size of the kitchen. Really well planned. So beautiful grey color का texture इन्होंने दिया हुआ है in inside the drawers and the shutters they have given. So जितनी भी fittings हैं, these are all Hetic fittings, soft lining है. So a really soothing but a very well-made kitchen. One of the most important factor जो एक 500 गज के अपार्टमेंट में भी at times नहीं निकल पाता is a puja room. But in this 300 square yard, they have created this amazing puja room area. Look at the kind of arc they have created over here. So a really well-planned space for the puja room, and so is the powder washroom. So we have the powder washroom over here. A really unique looking stone they have given a powder washroom. Golden color की fittings हैं, Kohler की super luxury fittings हैं, such amazing vanity, grey color का sink दिया हुआ है, and this super size looking glass mirror with again आप इसको white कर सकते हैं, आप अपना off white कर सकते हैं, आप अपनी मर्जी के according इसका color change कर सकते हैं. So a well planned powder washroom. That's your glass door lift. A private lift, what could be more luxurious than having a home that feels like a standalone villa? So over here we have the second bedroom. In fact, this is the smallest of the bedroom, but it's still a good size, a decent size. So you have this 3-door closet over here. नीचे से लेकर storage आपको बिल्कुल ऊपर तक मिलती है. This is how the closet looks from inside. Absolutely brilliant and amazing. Let me take you inside the washroom. A really beautiful looking washroom. Again color changing mirror है इसके अंदर. Kohler की super luxury fittings हैं. इस bathroom के अंदर contrast को break करते हुए they have used this silver color Kohler fittings. A good size sink they have given, and what beautiful looking vanity. That's your WC area. So this is the shower cubicle. Again a good size shower cubicle. Silver color की Kohler की fittings हैं. So they have also created this concealed areas with inbuilt lighting, so you can store your essentials of the bathroom. Good size of shower cubicle. Now let's see more. हमने 2 bedrooms देख लिए. This is the third bedroom. Wow, what an amazing size. Just look at the size of this bedroom. A super sized bedroom in a 300 square yard with such a beautiful height. They have also given this super sized windows over here. In fact, these are sliding windows. So इस bedroom के अंदर जो ventilation और natural light का flow, it will be there for the whole of the day. You also get this connecting balcony along with this third bedroom and the fourth bedroom. So really well planned, a multi-utility balcony. Let me quickly take you inside the bathroom. Wow, in a 300 square yards, they have managed to give us a walk-in closet. Not just a walk-in closet, you also have a dedicated a dressing area over here, a drawer over here. You can also place a chair over here. L shape के अंदर really beautiful looking closet area they have created. This is how the closet looks from inside. It's really beautiful looking from inside also. So you have this wooden looking with 3 drawers. A lot of space they have created. So जो corners हैं उसको भी बड़ा अच्छा utilize किया है. So आप अपने suits वगैरह you can really hang them here. So जो space utilization है that is absolutely to the optimum level. And this is the bathroom that you get along with it. What beautiful looking light fixtures they have given. A super size mirror. नॉर्मली जो मिरर्स होते हैं हमें इवन इससे बड़ी प्रॉपर्टीज़ के अंदर भी इससे काफ़ी छोटा मिरर देखने को मिलता है, बट अगर मिरर का साइज़ बड़ा होता है तो बाथरूम की जो एक ग्रैंडियर है वो एक मल्टीफोल्ड इंक्रीज हो जाती है। क्यूओ का इसके अंदर सिंक है, डिफ्यूज्ड कॉपर के अंदर इन्होंने इसके अंदर फिटिंग्स यूज़ करी हैं। अमेजिंग लुकिंग वैनिटी, दैट्स योर WC एरिया, कोलर का और टोटो का कॉम्बिनेशन है इसके अंदर विद कंसील्ड एरियाज, यू कैन स्टोर योर बाथरूम एसेंशियल्स, एंड दैट्स योर शॉवर क्यूबिकल with the same diffused copper के अंदर beautiful looking fixtures they have given, another concealed area with inbuilt lighting and a super sized rain shower they have given over here. And this is the fourth bedroom that you get along with it. इस bedroom के अंदर to break the monotony they have used wooden flooring, क्योंकि आजकल लोग prefer करते हैं कि सारे bedrooms के अंदर same flooring ना हो, किसी किसी bedroom के अंदर wooden flooring भी अच्छी लगती है. So they have given this really good looking wooden flooring over here. This is a feature wall they have created. So वास्तु के अकॉर्डिंग डिज़ाइन करते हुए जो बेड की प्लेसमेंट है they have really thought over it. So this is going to the bed would be facing this side. Really good looking false ceiling design they have created. आजकल curve क्या चल रहा है, so curve के अंदर इन्होंने they have used the false ceiling design. You also get a 4-door closet with this bedroom. This is how the closet looks from inside. So ample storage space. Samsung का सारा VRV aircon है, so you have this Cascade AC over here. This is the bathroom you get along with the fourth bedroom. Again, super size bathroom in a 300 square yard. And what beautiful looking beige color stone they have used. जो stone की cladding की जो finishing है, that is जो workmanship है, that is absolutely to the next level. In fact, जो doors भी हैं, what beautiful looking wooden doors. अगर इसको veneer को ये प्लेन लगा देते तो एक बोरिंग डोर होता, बट इस तरह से जो वर्टिकल लाइंस के अंदर स्लैंटिंग के अंदर इन्होंने प्लेस किया है विद दीज ब्रास फिटिंग्स, द डोर्स आर लुकिंग एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. नाउ अ गुड साइज ऑफ लुकिंग ग्लास मिरर, कलर चेंजिंग है, कूलर की फिटिंग्स हैं इसके अंदर, अ रियली यूनिक लुकिंग सिंक दे हैव गिवन एंड ब्यूटिफुल लुकिंग वेनिटी दे हैव क्रिएटेड ओवर हियर. नाउ अ रियली सुपर साइज शॉवर क्यूबिकल. इनफैक्ट 500 गज के अंदर भी इस साइज का शॉवर क्यूबिकल नहीं बन पाता. सो गुड फिक्चर्स दे हैव गिवन, डिफ्यूज कॉपर के अंदर दे हैव यू गिवन दिस सेग्रीगेशन फॉर द शॉवर क्यूबिकल. एंड इवन अगर हम शॉवर क्यूबिकल के अंदर भी बात करें तो यहाँ प्लेन स्टोन के साथ में जो ये वर्टिकल स्टाइल के अंदर क्लैडिंग करी हुई है, looking absolutely amazing. So you have this niche areas created with concealed lighting. A lot of bathroom essentials can be stored over here. We have seen the ground floor. Now let me quickly take you inside the basement, which is the heart of this basement ground triplex. See you in the basement. So why did I say that this is the heart of this basement ground triplex? Because all your living would go on the ground floor, all your recreation would come to this basement, and this is such a brilliant concept they have created. A really well done basement, a full size basement. So you have a glass door lift landing over here. So there's a pantry, there's a powder washroom, a full size washroom, and so many areas they have created over here. So there's another multi-utility area over here, and look at the way they have done the detailing in this basement. The interior detailing, the wooden work, the brilliant height, the false ceiling designs. Even in basement, they have given us Cascade aircons they have given in the basement also, and this brilliant looking light fixture. So as soon as someone enters your basement, they'll be in awe of this construction. And you also get a dedicated living room area in the basement. आप इसको लिविंग रूम बना सकते हैं, आप मल्टी यूटिलिटी आप किसी भी तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. और इस एरिया के अंदर आपको मिलता है एक डबल हाइट एरिया with a brilliant looking light fixtures they have created over here. So personally, after covering so many properties, but lately मैंने पूरे साउथ दिल्ली के अंदर इस तरह का बेसमेंट ग्राउंड ट्रिप्लेक्स नहीं देखा. I hope you've enjoyed this property video tour by Team South Delhi Floors. So we have been a bit busy with the earlier transactions, but now South Delhi Floors would be aggressively showcasing a lot of real estate in South Delhi. Do tell me कि आपको ये प्रॉपर्टी का टूर किस तरह से लगा. What is your feedback? What are your requirements? And if you would like to visit this property, you can simply call South Delhi Floors at the given number. I'll meet you. I'll show you this amazing triplex. Also, you can share this video with your family and friends, whosoever has interest in seeing or even buying a property. Thank you. See you in the next video.